mga ka-crochet lovers! Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me! For today's video tutorials, I'm going to teach you how to make a headband crochet. So if you want to know how I did this, just keep on watching. For the materials for this headband crochet making are Monaco crochet yarn, thread, 100% cotton mercerized. I used 0.60mm hook, and of course cutter. Okay, so we're going to make a slip knot. And then chain 6, 1, 5, 6, then slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. And 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Hook into your yarn twice, insert yarn over, yarn over, yarn over. So remain the 2 loops on your hook because we're going to make 4 treble crochet together. So your first 3 chains here is considered as your first treble crochet. Okay. So now you have 4 loops on your hook, then yarn over all together, and then this is your now first petal. Chain 6, 2, 6, then make another petals. Okay, so you have yarn over all together, then chain 4, alternate. Okay, 8 times. Chain 6, then chain 4, then chain 6, chain 4, 8 times. Okay, alternate. So make 8 petals on this ring. Okay, so we have now 7 petals on the ring, so 1 more left. So here's the chaining: 6 chain, 4 chain, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, and the last, and we will make 1 more petal on this ring and complete the 8 petals. Okay, then yarn over, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch here, then chain 1, and then cut. Okay, so now we have 1 flower already. It forms like a square. I am going to make the 5 more flowers in order to make this headband crochet. So for my second flower is, we're going to make a slip knot again, then chain 6, 1, 5, 6, and slip stitch, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we will make petals. So then we're going to connect this petal into this square flower. Okay, chain 3, then we will going to connect this one. Okay, so in this side, so make sure that this is the front and this is the back, so go like that, and then this is the back, so like that. Okay, so by doing single crochet and then 3 chains more to complete the 6 chains. Okay, so by doing like that, so they are in front together. Okay, and make another petals. yarn over all together, then chain 2, 1, 2, then connect it here and the 4th chain, single crochet, then another 2 chains to complete the 4 chains, then make another petals again by using triple crochet together. Okay, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then connect the last here, single crochet, then 3 more chains to complete the 6 chains, then make petals. Okay, so chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then complete the petals, the remaining petals. Okay, since you have now 1, 2, 3, 4 petals, so make more 4 petals to complete the 8 petals to form a flower. Okay, here's now the last 7 petals and the 6 chains, so we'll make 1 more petals to make 8 petals on this ring. Then chain 4, 4, and slip stitch. Okay, then chain 1 to lock up and then cut. So now you have 2 flowers connected together, so go ahead and make more 4 flowers that connected each other. Okay, here is now the last we did, so we're going to slip stitch and chain 3, and all this spacing here is we will make 3 treble crochet on the spacing. Okay, so in your 3 chains is considered as 1 treble crochet, then chain 1 and treble crochet on this spacing. Okay, another chain 1, so triple crochet all around. Okay, and this side is we will make 6 treble crochet. First is 3 treble crochets, then chain 1, then another 3. Okay, let's do it. 3, then chain 1, then another 3, and chain 1. Okay, then here is 3, and the same is here 6, and also here in this side. Okay, so go ahead and do it. The last 3 treble crochet. Okay, chain 1, then slip stitch here. So now chain 1, we're going to single crochet all around. Single crochet in the same stitch, then single crochet, then single crochet. Okay, so we're almost done with our single crochet. So here, single crochet, and then single crochet here, and then slip stitch, then chain 1 to lock up and cut. So here we're going to make like this. Okay, Okay, so we will count 12 single crochet from here until here, and we will make double crochet. Let's count 1 and 11, so 12. So here and here. Okay, other slip knot. Okay, then insert your hook here, chain 2, and we will make double crochet into here. Okay, so let's count 1, 2, 3, 12. Then chain 2, another 12 double crochet. Okay. Okay, so here, not chain 2 again. So in this row 3, 1, 2, in row 3, we will do decreasing. So double crochet, like that, another. So 2 double crochets together and the 2 stitches, like that. Okay, and then double crochet. When you reach 2 stitches here, this one, so do the decreasing again. Okay. Okay. Chain 2. Then okay, and then chain 8 here, then we will connect this one. Okay, to make like this, single crochet 6 times. Okay. Single crochet here until here, count 12 here, and make this kind of side. Okay, so we're done doing single crochet until here, so we will count 12 stitches to make this side. Okay, the same as what we did in this side. Okay, 8. Then we will connect this single crochet 6 times. 5, 6, then another chain 8, 1, 2, 7, 8, then connect it here. We will do single crochet around this one. Okay, okay, single crochet until here. Okay, we're finished doing our single crochet all around. Then we will do slip stitch here, chain 1, and then the next stitch that we're going to use is slip stitch all around, slip stitch to tighten this headband crochet. Okay, slip stitch. Okay, so this is now the last part of our slip stitch. Then cut. So now we will tie this one to look like this, okay? So we will cut, then going to tie.